Oh, here we are at the beach,
Hey
but
guys, we just drove for like hours to try and get to the beach and there's no access. All these people are having fun in their boats. We just brought our boat to the mechanic, so can you please let me in?
all I want to do is get in the
We
water.
just want to swim.
Just want to get in the
It
water.
looks so nice. Look at all these people having a good time. This could be us.
We're gonna have to do a COVID op. Want to get onto that waterboard and COVID around the thing and under the beach.
Yeah,
COVID operation.
totally. There's a hole in the fence. We could just slip through.
Ah, you could. I can't.
We'll behave.
All right. Well, guys, get out there and
Yeah,
enjoy
look
the
how
weather.
peaceful this is. Look at all these people paddleboarding, having a nice time.
Oh, it's almost like summer.
Not being able to go swimming is hell. So cheers.
Cheers.
Guess don't go to the beach.
No. Wait.
Yep.
You heard it from us first.
Yeah, there's crowds of people just waiting at the fence for no reason, so that's not going to be us today.
No, none of us.
Our paddleboard's on our car and everything ready to go. And it's like the perfect paddleboarding area.
Let's do it. Double up.
How do we get our boards in?
Right there. We'll jump.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, we'll jump. Where's that Adam? You can go pretty quick. Oh, is this a handle? Oh, all right, first attempt paddleboard. Let's go. Let's go. That's hard. That's hard.
I told you! Tech's attempting to stand on the board. Oh, there he goes. He's off.
Okay, try again. Attempt 2.
Oh. As you can see, folks, it's impossible. This is not an easy task. I don't know if you're supposed to add water to it, but it's like...
You gotta lay down. Spring up.
That was closer. Look at this, guys. We got like the beach to ourselves. I missed it! You okay? Did you lose your glasses?
They float.
I missed it!
Want me falling?
I was showing off the beach. Look, all these people are leaving, and now the beach is ours.
All right.
Yeah, I missed you falling. Did you hurt yourself?
No. This is a talent. Okay.
Yeah, the blow-up ones are definitely easier.
What?
The blow-up ones are definitely easier to stand on.
Okay. Find out what my center of gravity is.
impossible. I swear you need to fill it with water. We'll get it, folks. We'll get it. Look it. Now we have the beach to ourselves as soon as these people leave. Okay.
All right, Mama Chulo's attempt. Okay, so far she's way more graceful than I am. No way. Oh, come on. You can do it. You got it. You got it. Swim farther away?
Yeah, I don't want to hit my head.
Okay.
Now I can't get on.
Look at this, folks. Beautiful beach. Nice. She's already more centered than I am. You got it.
Just want to get away from where it's shallow.
Bum, 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 bum. Oh my gosh, folks, she did it. All right, so she made me look horrible.
No, it's because it wasn't filled with water. You'll be able to do it now. I couldn't do it before either.
Do you need more water for buoyancy?
Oh, it definitely helps.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
Turning's hard.
Is that make your paddle longer? Right at the end. There's a little clip. That might be easier. Is that easier now? Oh, that was a good day out in the
Ooh,
sun.
we got a nice swim.
Ooh, got a good sweat on. Now, guys, paddling board's a lot harder than you think. But don't forget to put the water in the board first. It'll be a little bit easier.
Yeah, well, we'll get it down next time.
Oh, yeah, I'll get it. I'm good at laying on it. Well, that's for sure. Look how calm it is.
And us.
And us. Get out
Cheers,
there.
guys. Do
Enjoy
something
the summer.
outdoors. Oh my gosh, I don't want to leave this beautiful view.
Oh.
I don't want to leave. Can we live here?
Yeah, let's tent right over there. Okay, we'll use that. I'll get the blankets. You're going to get a little teepee. We'll
You
clip
can't even
fire
see the
away.
water, really. There is water there, I swear. Oh, there. Now you can see it.
It looks like sky.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looked pretty much just like sky. Ew, did I just wipe a bug off my face?
Oh,
That was nasty.
yeah.
Okay, so get a paddleboard. It's fun. Mosquitoes are coming. We're going to go eat.
Okay, some food.
Chill.
Oh,
Cheers.
cheers. Oh, why did I put the soft side on my head before? What?